We've made upgrading your shipping incredibly easy. All you have to do is log in, click the Orders tab at the top of the page in the blue toolbar. Once you're on the My Orders page, you're going to click Can I update my shipping? From there, you're going to be given the options for upgrading your shipping. So it will depend on where you're shipping and the shipping option that you've already chosen, but it'll show you the next ones available, and you can choose whichever one you'd like. Click Upgrade Shipping, and it will take you to the checkout page. Once you're here, you're going to put in your card number, expiration, and hit Continue to check out. You'll be able to review your total one more time and then click Submit Your Order. After you've placed your order for the shipping upgrade, you can go back to the orders page. You'll see the payment for the upgrade, and then below that, you'll see your order, and it should now say shipping upgraded to whichever option you chose. So it will also be listed down here as well. So that's how you know that it was confirmed, good to go. If you run into any issues at all, please email support@createmycookbook.com. We're happy to help. Thanks.